Good day everyone, especially to you Sir Jason Chavez. We are the Group 6 and our topic is all about customer satisfaction. So what is customer satisfaction? Customer satisfaction is defined as a measurement that determines how happy customers are with a company products, services, and capabilities. So ang customer satisfaction ay measurement na nag-determine kung happy ba ang customer sa isang products or services and capabilities. Customer satisfaction information, including surveys and ratings, can help a company determine how to best improve or change its products and services. So, ang customer satisfaction, just like what I've said earlier, that nag-determine siya kung happy ba ang customer sa products, services, and capabilities. The customer satisfaction, including surveys and ratings, dito malalaman ng isang company kung may need ba ng improvement or changes sa products or services. So according to the father of modern marketing, Philip Kotler defines customer satisfaction as a person's feeling of pleasures or disappointment which result from comparing a product's perceived performance or outcome against their expectations. So what happens when you buy a product or use a service, you always have an expectation of how it would be. Remind yourself what happens when the product or services doesn't live up to the hype. You obviously feel dissatisfied and disappointed. And the complete opposite happens when it meets or surpasses your expectations. When you are satisfied with a product, you also tend to leave reviews for the company, recommend it to the others, and stay loyal to the brand and businesses. So it's easy to say that customer satisfaction also affects customers' loyalty. So why customer satisfaction is very important? Customer satisfaction is important because it reveals whether your customer base likes what you're doing. Because in every business needs customers to make them flourish to keep the customers happy and retain them. Customer satisfaction plays an important role. Customer satisfaction is crucial for businesses because it directly impacts their success and long-term sustainability.
So my name is Roosevelt Yutaop. So let's review in detail why measuring customer satisfaction is important. So number one, helps identify unhappy customer. You can't create a good product for your customers till you know how they feel. Also, you can make improvements in what you offer without knowing your unhappy customers and knowing why they are dissatisfied and unhappy. So to make a better product, first you need to understand how your customers feel. Kung masaya ba sila sa product mo, or satisfied ba sila or dissatisfied. You need to know why. So by identifying unhappy customers, you can address their concern and improve your product or service. Number two, helps reduce customers' churn rate and improve retention. Like we discussed in the first point, measuring customer satisfaction and knowing what is working and what is not working help you prevent customers from leaving your business and improves retention. So when you measure customer satisfactions, kailangan mong alamin kung ano ang gusto nilang baguhin sa product mo at kung ano ang nagustuhan nila sa product mo. So this allows you to fix issues and keep your customers happy, which help you prevent them from leaving at para mas nadami ang loyal mong mga customers at para lalo silang maging loyal sa business mo o sa product mo.
Hello everyone, Asakil Datomas Napin here, and this is the continuation of the report about customer satisfaction, and now we are here in number three, which is helps identify happy customers and loyalists. So besides identifying the customers that are dissatisfied, it is also important to identify the happy ones. When we talk about identifying happy customers and loyalists, we're referring to understanding which customers are satisfied with a product or service and which ones are likely to continue buying or supporting it over time. So next is helps you forecast business growth. So without measuring customer satisfaction, it is hard for marketing and sales teams to determine the health of business and predict business growth. So it means predicting how your business will grow based on sales trends, customer behavior, and market conditions. So this helps in planning and making smart decisions for the future. So in conclusion, customer satisfaction is a way understanding and measuring how satisfied and happy you are keeping your customer with the brand and products you offer. So it's a way to understand and measure whether you are meeting their expectations, solving their problem, and providing a positive experience. So it can be measured through surveys, feedback, reviews, and ratings, helping businesses to improve their offerings and build customer loyalty. So yun lang guys.